Okay, y'all, I am going to plant some more sweet potatoes. I'm going to do them in this bucket with it's a grow bag and it has a little window on it, but there's no plastic in front of it, so I can't open it because the dirt will fall out. But I'm going to put 3 in there. It's a 15-gallon, and I put one in plastic, so I just want to see how well they grow in plastic and how well they grow in this grow bag. And we'll see. This grow bag, I don't think it's the same material as these grow bags here, and I linked them below in my video last time. The material this feel more like felt, and I don't know what this feels like, but there are 2 different kinds. But I'm gonna go pull up some more slips. I still have those 2 slips there from last week, and my slips, oh look, it's so hot out here. Look at my squash. It's not like this heat. It's very hot out here today. It is 88, but it's so humid, so it probably feels like 98. But I have 2 slips in here. They look about the same size, and then I got one coming here from where I pulled those up from last week and week before, or whenever I pulled them up. My gray zucchini has come up as well, so happy about that. I'm gonna plant that when it gets its true leaves. But like I showed you guys, you just put a sweet potato in the ground. Some say leave it up, but the video I watched said plant it on the ground, and then I put cocoa coir over top of it so it'll stay moist, and then I let it grow. In 2-3 weeks you have slips, so you just pull them up just like this. Be kind of gentle. Oh, and these got great roots on it. Oh, I pulled the potato up. See the potato? I'm gonna put that potato back down in there. But I'm gonna pull these roots off right here. Hold on. Let's sit you guys right there. I may want more slips. Oh, so this one got the best root on it. Look at that. So I'm gonna take that. I'm gonna put that in some water, and I'm gonna put this one back. So give me a minute. I gotta get my shovel. And that, as you can see, guys, it is a little teeny little potato. So it don't take no big potato to be growing no slips. That is a freaking myth. So I'm gonna put this potato right on back in there. What that was that fell on my porch. Put it back. Put the dirt back around it, and let it keep growing slips. So maybe somebody else may want some, and I can send it to them. Cause I'm just gonna plant 2 bags of sweet potatoes, I believe. But and then my air conditioner is on, so that's not good. Okay, I won't be able to hear me. But I got my mic on, so maybe you can. Hopefully. Okay. And I already put nutrients in this soil. I'm gonna do the heel this way because I want that pocket on it to be to the outside, so I can look in it and see if any potatoes in there. So I'm gonna put this one here in the middle. Oh my God, that's probably gonna grow a bunch of potatoes. That got the best roots out of all of them. And I got my 2 other ones that I got out of there. I have my mic back on because I went and got these. And I got these 2 other ones that I got that I was heading water that I just showed you. And it's going to heal them up. Let me get a little bit more soil. Okay. Alright guys, I think that'll do it. Then I'm going to water it in. And I'm going to leave it on the porch for a day. Because I don't want it to get heat shock. I'm going to put cocoa coir on top of it as well. To protect the top of it. I'm going to take my shovel and get some of this cocoa coir. And you have to soak it in water. But it's chunky, which wasn't what I was expecting it to be, big chunks. I was expecting it to be thin like what I bought last year. So this is more dressing and to put at the bottom. And I did put it at the bottom just so it can help to retain moisture on the plant. But you don't want, once the potatoes start growing up out the soil, you don't want sun to get them because it's not good for them. It poisons them or something, so they say. I don't know how true it is. I'm not no gardener. But I'm gonna learn. Alright, that is it. That's all the cocoa coir I'm gonna put on top of it. And then I'm going to let them grow up the fence as they grow out. So, yeah. The little window. Alright guys, that is the end of my video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. And I'll keep you posted on how the potatoes grow, and when I harvest them, I'll keep you abreast of how the potatoes grow, and once I harvest them, I'll let you see that as well. So once again, thank you guys for stopping by my channel. I hope you enjoyed it, and I look forward to seeing you all in my very next video. Bye bye.